Hello, friends. So, talking about the production linked incentive scheme, what was offered by the government of India to increase the Make in India campaign in terms of increasing the manufacturing base in the electronics domain so that we become a global manufacturer and exporter in the electronics domain, and special focus is given to mobile phone manufacturing. Now, within this scheme, we saw a couple of months back how Lava, the company, shifted its manufacturing base, partly in China, to India. And now we see recently how other applicants have come up with that includes Apple, Samsung, then Dixon Technologies, and many others. So, if we talk about Samsung, they have committed an investment of around 5,000 crore to double their manufacturing base in India and avail the benefits of PLI scheme. Apple as well has committed to shift their production base, which is manufacturing base, which is largely 95% of that is currently happening in China. Shifting that to other countries is the plan, and 10% of that would go to India as per their plan under the PLI scheme. And for that, uh, the companies, the vendors are already in action, and we have seen there's already production in Chennai of iPhone 11. Now, so the PLI scheme, if we dwell deeper, it's a beneficial scheme with the objective as described earlier, and the incentive is up to 4 to 6% on incremental increase in sales from the base year of manufacturing and value capacity. So that scheme is very attractive, and this is valid for 5 years. So for 5 years, for the first 5 years, these companies, these mega manufacturer companies, can avail a lot of benefits of the order of 4 to 6%, which is largely to counter the hindrances in the Indian infrastructure in terms of electricity, R&D, and skill. So all of those. Also, if we see the employment generation capacity of this move is of the order of more than 2 lakhs to 3 lakh people will be directly employed in these sectors, in these increased manufacturing bases. And we have seen a commitment of near about more than $20 billion, 15 to $20 billion as of now, which is a big amount. And down the line, it will be more and more expansion, and a hub will be created as what is being expected by Indians, especially the government of India. So let's see how things will unfold and how India will become a global force in terms of manufacturing electronic products. That is to be seen. And the momentum has been given through this PLI scheme, and it is expected that it will go on, and the mood against the China is in favor of India, but other countries are also there, like Vietnam and all. But since India is also a big market, it's a major attraction, therefore. And with this scheme, there's a great possibility of us succeeding as a major manufacturing hub in the electronic sector. Thank you.